Hi friends, today we are going to be looking at arithmetic operations under number base. Now we've been on this series for quite some time and today we are focused on multiplication and division. Now we're going to be looking at how the red method could be used to solve multiplication of numbers in the same base. Now don't forget that this method is only applicable when the bases are identical, when the bases are the same thing. Now, provided these bases are different, provided this in base 5 and this in base 4, there's no way this method could work. But for the fact that these bases are the same, then this method is very usable. So this is what we're going to do. 3, 2, 1, 1 base 4 times 2, 3, 3, 2 base 4. Now, this is what we're going to do. You write it down first. You write down your 1, your 2, your 3 in base 4. Then your 2, your 3, your 2 in base 4. Now you're going to times whatever answer you get, use your 4 to test it. 2 times 1 is 2. If you use your 4 to break down your 2, you get 0 remainder 2. There's no need doing that. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 and 2 is 0 remainder 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Use your 4 to break down your 4. 4 and 4 is 1. Remainder 0, right to 0. Put your 1 on the other side. Next, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. Use your 4 to break down your 7. 4 and 7 is 1. Remainder 3. I have 3, keep your 1, but that's the last one. Put your 1 outside there. Next is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 and 3 is 0, remainder 3. There's no point doing that. Just write it down. This your 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. It's up to the 4, even more than it. Use your 4 to break down your 6. 4 and 6 is 1, remainder 2. Write your 2, keep your 1. Right here. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. Use your 4 to break down your 10. 4 in 10 is 2. Remainder 2. Put your 2. Then put the last 2 outside because this is the last one we're working on. Then we're done with that. Next is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 and 3 is 0, remainder 3. So put your 3 here. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 and 6 is 1, remainder 2. Your remainder becomes your answer. Your answer becomes your remainder. 3 times 3 is 10, 9 plus 1, 10. Use your 4 to break your 10 down. 4 in 10 is 2, remainder 2. So put your 2 here, put your 2 outside. So you're done with that. Then the very last one, which is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Right here, 2 times 1 also 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 in 4 is 1, remainder 0. I have 0, keep your 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. 4 and 7 is 1, remainder 3. Your remainder becomes your answer becomes your remainder. Remainder 1, but that's the very last, your 1 outside. So the next thing you do now is to add everything. Now don't forget this, that each of this result here, each of the result gotten is in base 4. So as you add, you're adding everything in base 4 also. So you just bring your 2 down. 2 plus 3 is 5. Use your 4 to break your 5 down. 4 and 5 is 1, remainder 1. Put your 1 here. Drop your remainder on the other side. 1 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 5, beg your pardon. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 and 7 is 1, remainder 3. Put your 3 here. Put your 1 here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 4 in 11. 4 in 11. 4 in 11 is 2, remainder 3. Put your 3 here. Put your remainder 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 in 9 is 2, 8, remainder 1. Put your 1. Keep your 2 on the other side. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 4 and 6 is 1, remainder 2. Put your 2 here. Put your 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 and 6 is 1, remainder 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And that's all. 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2 in base 4. Now quickly let's look at another example. This time around we're going to be looking at division of numbers. We're going to be seeing how we can use this to divide. So solve 30222 222 in base 4 divided by 3 in base 4. Now that's very simple. It's very easy to solve this. Now 30,222 in base 4 divided by 33 in base 4. Now don't forget that this is division. So the best method you have to use is one-on-one division. I think we've worked on that a couple of past editions or series. So you're going to take this, since we are working on base 4, since all we're working on is, since they are both in base 4. Now we're going to create a table whereby the max is base 4. If you're using base 5, you create a table whereby the max is going to be base 5. So you're going to be creating a table using 4 here. So the max is going to be 4. You won't go beyond 4. So let's create a table quickly before we start solving 101. So that's going to be 33 times 0 is 0. Now 33, don't forget 33 in base 4 times 0 in base 4. Now 33 in base 4 times 1 in base 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. It's now over the base. So 33 times 2 in base 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Easier. Your 4 to break your 6 down. 4 and 6 is 1, remainder 2. Right there. So write your 2, keep your 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. 4 and 7 is 1, remainder 3. So put your 3, put your 1 here. This is 132 base 4. So the last one, 33 times, second to the last one, 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 and 9 is 2, remainder 1. Write your 1, keep your 2. 3 times 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 4 and 11 is 2, remainder 3. Write your 3, keep your 2. Good. Then the very last one, since you are talking about base 4, so the highest should be 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. We are timesing these numbers, each of them in base 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 in 12 is 3 minus 0. So write your 0, keep your 3. 4 times 3, 12. Plus 3 is 15. 4 in 15 is 3 minus 3. So you're 3, 3 in base 4. So now let's divide. We're going to be dividing one after the other. So 3, 0, 2, 2, 2 base 4. Divided by 33 base 4. So we write our answer. So the first is bring out this. That's the first thing we bring out. We're going to divide one after the other. So it's going to be 3 divided by 33. Now go to the table and look for 3. Is this up to 3? No. Is this up to 3? No, it's far more than. Go back to it. That's going to be what? 0. 0 remainder. 3 minus 0 is 3. So I write my 0. I keep my 3 here. So the next is 30 divided by, 3, that's 33. Look for 30. Is that the 30? No. 30? No. It's far more than a million. Go back. Answer 0. Remainder. 30 minus 0 is 30. Write to 0. You have your remainder 30. So the next thing we have is 302 divided by 33. Now look for 302. 302 no. 302 no. 302 no. 302 no. 302 no. This far bigger than what we are looking for. So all those ones are not up to date, but this more than. So we can't pick something bigger. Go back to this one. We go back to 231. So what's our answer? Our answer is 3. Remainder. So we're going to be using 302. 302 minus 231. They are both in base 4. You're very much aware of that. 2 minus this is 1. 0 minus 3 is not possible. We'll run from here. 2. Add your 4 here. 4 minus 3. 1. So that's 3 remainder 11. Write your 3. We have remainder 11. The next one we have is 112 divided by 33. They're all in base 4. Don't forget. So look for 112. 112 is not up to. 112 is not up to. 112 it is not up to. 112 is 112. That's bigger than 112. So you stop here. You go back. Your answer is 1. Remainder. What are we looking for? 112 minus the answer we chose. We chose 33. Both in base 4. So try 2 minus 3 is not possible. Put 1 from here 0. Put it here 12. Put it here. The one you put here represents 4. I beg your pardon. 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 0 minus 3 is not possible. Put 1 from here 0. Put your 4 here. 4 minus 3 is 1. So that's 1 remainder 13. So put your 1 here. We have remainder 13 here. So the very last one, 132 divided by 33, all in base 4. 132 no, 132 no, 132 exactly. That's what we are looking for. 132. What's our answer? 2. No remainder. So this is how to divide 312 base 4. So this is how to divide using the direct method. Just create a table. Whatever base you're talking about, if you're talking about base 5, create a table up to 5. A multiplication table that ends at 5. If it's base 7, create it up to 7. So here's a couple of take homes. Try this question for me. Now solve those questions. Solve 1, 2, 6, 1 in base 7 times 3, 5, 6 in base 7. So the second question you have to solve for me. Solve 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1 in base 3 divided by 1, 0, 1, 2 in base 3. So leave these answers in the comment sections. If you find this very exposition resourceful, please subscribe to this very channel and share this exposition. Thanks, see you in the next exposition.